This is what we're doing today. Jeff is fortunate enough to have 3 trees land on his old Inter-ute, and he wants to sell body panels and parts off this Inter-ute. Unfortunately, it does have 3 trees on it that quite big trees too. Here are their trunks. Well, it's almost 4. That one missed it. So anyway, we've taken a lot of weight off the cabin of his Inter, and yeah, what was I saying? Weight's off the cabin, and he was going to use the tractor to lift these up, and I was going to cut them with a chainsaw, but his tractor's power steering's packed it in, so now he's going to drag these trunks off using a ute. Yeah, 3 trees on an Inter-ute. Day 2 for me. Most of the trees have now been removed. Splitting them up. The tree roots have exposed all this mechanical gear. There's a diff there, there's all sorts of stuff. Decades of mechanical gear. Jeff's a mechanic. He is a bit of a collector. There's some of his gear there. There's plenty of it. Anyway, the trees are all around his shed. During high winds they come down. There's plenty more trees to come down. So anyway, I'm lucky to get some firewood out of all of this. Bye now.